Hello, my name is Jan Dul. In this video, I will show you how you can produce the bottleneck table in necessary condition analysis using the NCA software. First, I load the NCA package. Then I load my data. And I rename it data. Then I have a look at my data. It has 4 conditions: ambition, interpersonal sensitivity, learning approach and sociability, and 1 outcome, sales performance. Then I conduct necessary condition analysis with the default values. I call the analysis model. And for the simple version, I only add data, the name of my data set, the first 4 columns that have the conditions, and the last 5th column that has the outcome. I run the analysis. It doesn't show anything yet because I have to use NCA output, the output of my analysis, which is called model. I want to see the bottleneck tables, so that's true, but I don't want to see the other information now, so that's false. I run it. And here you see the bottleneck tables. There are 2 tables, 1 for each ceiling line. Here is the table for the CEFDH ceiling line. And here is the table for the CRFDH ceiling line. We see that the values in the table are expressed as percentage range, which means 0 corresponds to the minimum value, 100 corresponds to the maximum value, 50 to the value in between, etc. Both for the outcome and for the 4 conditions. Here is the outcome, here are the 4 conditions. I can also show the bottleneck table with the actual values of X and Y. So I do another analysis of NCA, I call this model 1, and it now includes only the ceiling line CRFDH. I want the actual values for the Y, for the outcome, and I want the actual values for the bottleneck. Now I run again NCA output, and here we see the results of the bottleneck table, now with the actual values. We can also use as values in the bottleneck table percentiles. If we take the percentiles of the X values and we leave the Y values actual, and we run again this analysis, we show the output, and here is the output, the percentiles of the bottleneck table. And these percentiles can be interpreted as follows. For a Y value of 4, 18.5% of the cases cannot reach the required threshold level of ambition of the first condition. 21.3% of the cases cannot reach the required level for output 4 for interpersonal sensitivity, etc. Thank you for watching the video.